What are the 7 major sins that doom a person to hell? These 7 sins were mentioned in the hadith al-mubiqat, and some thought that these are restricting the major sins. And when Ibn Abbas was asked, may Allah be pleased with him and with his father, are the major sins 7? He said they are closer to 70 rather than 7. So this is not limiting the major sins, rather it is highlighting 7 of them, which the Prophet thought ﷺ to highlight. And they are: number 1, ash-shirku billah, associating others with Allah. Number 2, as-sihr, which is witchcraft. Number 3, killing a soul whom Allah has forbidden us to kill without any legitimacy. Number 4, consuming orphan's wealth. So if I have my nephew who's an orphan, I'm his guardian, I'm in charge of his wealth, and I abuse this and I consume it and I buy cars and lavish lifestyle, this is one of the major sins. Then consuming riba, usury, which is predominantly nowadays in most transactions of banks, monetary funds, financial institution, all of these revolve around riba, and it's a major sin. Fleeing from the battlefield, this is when you are with a Muslim army and the army in front of you, the enemy, is less than double your size, and you call it a quit. I ain't fighting with them, I'm just running away. This is a major sin. And slandering chaste, innocent Muslim women, and this is a major sin in Islam. When you talk about a Muslim woman and she says, no, she's a prostitute, oh, she has boyfriends, oh, she has many men coming into her house and leaving late at night, is a slandering. If you fail to bring 4 male witnesses to testify, seeing private parts in private parts, then you should be flogged 80 lashes for slandering a Muslim woman, and this is a major sin.
Alhamdulillah, we are happy to announce the launch of the One Islam TV app. Watch hundreds of high-quality produced Islamic reminders, Quran learning videos, stories of the prophets, and so much more. 2 new videos uploaded daily, inshallah. Watch videos on demand, or download videos and watch offline. No more annoying ads or pop-ups. 100% safe browsing for your peace of mind. Watch or listen to lectures and lessons while you work, rest, or drive with your device switched off. One Islam TV is 100% run and owned by Muslims, which means the small amount you pay for your subscription is a SADAQAH JARIYAH, continuous charity for you, as we use the funds raised to continue producing more beneficial videos and reminders, inshallah. The One Islam TV app is now available on Apple devices, Apple TV, Android devices, Android TV, Amazon Fire TV, and Roku, so you can watch on most devices and smart TVs. Download now for a free 7-day trial. May Allah reward you for supporting our work.